Welcome, AM Autos. Get ready, motocross fans, because Suzuki is back to dominate the dirt tracks in 2025. Introducing the brand new Suzuki RM85, a machine that has been completely redesigned to ignite passion in young riders and thrill-seasoned racers alike. This isn't just another motocross bike, it's a game-changer that blends raw power, razor-sharp handling, and futuristic engineering all in one compact beast. A legacy reborn. For decades, the Suzuki RM85 has been a training ground for champions, known for teaching young riders how to master their skills before stepping into bigger displacement machines. In 2025, Suzuki took this legacy and reimagined it from the ground up. The new RM85 isn't just a refresh, it's a bold leap into the future of two-stroke motocross, with engine performance. Under the sleek bodywork lies a rev-happy 84.7cc two-stroke engine that delivers a punchy power band, perfectly tuned for both beginners and competitive youth racers. Suzuki engineers have refined the port timing, reed valve system, and exhaust to ensure instant throttle response and smooth power delivery across the rev range. The 2025 RM85 also comes with a new 6-speed close-ratio gearbox, giving riders precise control whether they're attacking a tight technical section or launching off massive jumps. And yes, Suzuki retained the iconic two-stroke scream that every motocross fan loves, but with updated internals for better durability and reduced maintenance intervals. Chassis handling. Handling is where the 2025 RM85 truly shines. Built on a lightweight, high-tensile steel frame, the bike feels incredibly agile yet stable at high speeds. The revised geometry and swing arm length give the rider confidence to lean harder into corners and fly straighter during jumps. Suzuki has equipped this RM85 with Showa suspension, a 37mm inverted front fork with adjustable compression and rebound damping, paired with a fully adjustable rear shock. This means young riders can fine-tune their setup for different tracks, whether it's a rough outdoor circuit or a smooth indoor arena. Brakes control. Braking performance has also been upgraded. The 2025 model now sports larger wave-style disc brakes for improved stopping power and heat dissipation. Combined with lightweight wheels and motocross-specific tires, the RM85 delivers razor-sharp control on any terrain from soft loam to hard-packed dirt. Design ergonomics. Visually, the 2025 Suzuki RM85 is aggressive and modern. Inspired by Suzuki's championship-winning RMZ lineup, it features sharp bodywork, slim radiator shrouds, and bold new graphics that scream speed even when standing still. The seat profile has been flattened for better rider movement, allowing seamless transitions from sitting to standing during intense racing. Weight distribution is perfectly balanced, and the overall ergonomics are designed to fit young riders comfortably, yet still offer the room to grow as they progress in skill level. Technology features. While two-stroke bikes are often praised for their simplicity, Suzuki didn't skimp on smart updates. The new digital CDI ignition ensures consistent spark timing, improving both throttle response and fuel efficiency. Revised airbox and intake systems also enhance airflow, boosting mid-range torque without compromising top-end power. Oh, who is it for? The 2025 Suzuki RM85 is perfect for young riders stepping up from 65cc bikes, amateur racers aiming for podium finishes, enthusiasts looking for a lightweight, affordable race bike, riders who crave the classic two-stroke experience with modern reliability. Final thoughts. The 2025 RM85 isn't just an upgrade, it's a declaration that Suzuki is serious about youth motocross. With its powerful yet manageable engine, precision handling, and aggressive styling, it's designed to build skills, confidence, and podium finishes. Whether you're a parent looking for the ultimate bike for your kid or a rider dreaming of racing glory, the RM85 delivers everything you need to start that journey. So motocross fans, are you ready to hear that legendary two-stroke scream once again? The 2025 Suzuki RM85 is here, and it's ready to rule the dirt. Mind you,